from the bottom, now I'm marching with precision. Woke up early, beat the bell, man, this hustle ain't no gimmicks. Discipline, wrist tight, setups got intention. Facts, Ice-T flow, I see the sweep, then I'm in it. Boom. I came from the bottom, now I'm marching with precision. Woke up early, beat the bell, man, this hustle ain't no gimmicks. Discipline, wrist tight, setups got intention. Facts, Ice-T flow, I see the sweep, then I'm in it. Boom. Check the bias on the daily, now I'm zooming on the hour. Liquidity above, I see the trap, now they devour. Got 'em. Snatching stops like a thief in the night. Kill zone active, got that entry just right. Spread my draw down, max it clean, I'm staying stable. No tilt, no thrill, I don't trade off a fable. No. FVG or the block sitting in the range. Price come back, that's a gift, I remain. Real tough. Discipline my savior, patience my blade. Snipers don't spray, they lay low in the shade. Stay silent. Crypto on the charts like Pimp C on the slab. Hold up, bitch. While they praying on luck, I just stick to the plan. Draw my fib from the swing, now I'm stalking retrace. Asia laid the frame, London set the pace. NY open, it's a feast or a famine. I only trade what's there, not what I imagine. Discipline. Risk 1, reward 3, that's the code. R-type. Got my journal like a Bible, every setup's road. Smart money footprints, I walk with the whales. Retail chasing highs, I'm exposing they tails. Midnight oil burning, I ain't here for clout. It's that apex grind, get funded, then I'm out. Withdraw. I see the sweet displacement, I strike. If it ain't clean, I don't bite, that's life. Sniper. They flash they P&Ls, but they fold under pressure. I built this with pain, each loss was a lecture. Pain taught me. Mental by the charts, mental by the grind. ICT vision, don't need an algo with mine. Split structure clean, higher time frame to map. I'm trading for freedom, not just a stack. Generation. Trail stop tight, I ain't losing more than mine. Hard stop sin, execution divine. Yes, Lord. From draw down to funded, I bend but don't break. Crypto don't chase, I just wait on the face. Stacking profits like bricks, this the blueprint. Market made me, now watch how I do this. Let's get it. Hey, it's more than charts and candles, baby. It's character. Patience, precision, profit. I ain't just trading. I'm building a legacy, one tick at a time. Big crip out. Crib out.
Alright, good morning. How y'all feeling out there today? It's Thursday. There's been some major moves in the market this morning, man. Major moves. So we got about 6 minutes for the market open, so let's go ahead and get right into it. So I erased my drawings from yesterday. So we're gonna, except for all of these down here because they still valid. So, and except for this right here, I drew this yesterday, and I see that this sell side liquidity was taken out. There was a big move at I don't know what happened, but big move at 849. So right now The market has only moved 119.75 points. Its 20-day average is 365.25. It went 162 yesterday. So haven't been too much movement in the last 2 days, but we'll see what they're trying to do today. So what I see today is I see that on the 4-hour chart, this swing high was taken out. This swing high was created on May 29th, a couple days ago. So as we see, price came up, did a very volatile run up high, and got pushed back down because of this swing high was taken out. So now it went to take out sell side liquidity. Now I do see an inefficiency right here. On a 4-hour chart, and really nothing else that I can see. So at 21,500, we move 119 points. So it could go get its range and come down here and possibly stall out. If it wants to make a move back higher or come back down into this 1 hour fair value gap and make a move lower, because we got a lot of inefficiencies down here. So we're gonna drop down to the hour chart, see what we see on the hour chart. Well, let me mark this as we got some swing lows right here. This is why I say we could go lower. We got some relative equal lows here and there. So we got non-farm payroll news tomorrow, which is typically a real big mover in the market. Because whatever happened at 8:30, which there was some news at 8:15, but I can't remember no news at 8:30. So we're gonna keep an eye on it. We're gonna keep an eye on it and see what the move is. The market is open now. Fibonacci retracement tool. I'm feeling like a short. Gained 50% of this move. Then want to come back down to the news low. ES is dropping. Everybody's whoo. Might be done early, guys. That's what I like to see. Well, that was a beautiful move. See, what I did was I measured from this swing high. I measured from this swing high here to the swing low right here, and it came to 50% of this, and then it fell back down. I wish I could have got in a little bit earlier, but it's all good. I still think we got more room to go to the bottom. Sorry about that. I usually have my phone on silent. IM is still dropping. We are in a 5-minute fair value gap in this area here, so it could pull back like it's doing now, but I still think we got room to go lower because we took out that swing high on the 4-hour chart. Came back up to the open price, which is the opening tick, which is at 930. This is this green line right here, this opening tick. 21,812.25 is the opening price. We do have some more news, I want to say. Actually, no. Why did my thing? We got unemployment claims. Oh, no, I'm tripping. Why did my thing update? Okay, now it's updated. Okay, we ain't got no news. We don't have any major news. We don't have any major news. My news ticker didn't update. I had to refresh my chart. blue line is the 8:30 open, which is 21,764.50. As you can see, price did not close below the 61.8 of the day, so we just want to wait and see what they're really trying to do. Like I said, I think we go a lot lower. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go short again here. Place my stop above the open price here. I might go for a quick scalp to the open price. I mean to midnight open. If we break this 61.8, I think we good. We in there. We got a solid dollar here as well, which is 21,800 and 50% of the day. But we also got to remember too, the week of NFP, non-farm payroll, like these markets be moving a lot. They be moving crazy. Let's just say that. They definitely be moving crazy. ES is moving lower. We just need NASDAQ to follow along with it. Need NASDAQ to follow along with it. We're gonna protect some profits. As it moves lower, we're gonna protect profits. It closed below the 61.8, so I like that. Can we hit the target? Can we hit the target? There we go. Great trade. That was a great trade. Great trade. We got gold in 10 minutes. So now I guess we just sit and watch what they doing. Like I said, I think we go lower. I think we go lower. I'm gonna show you on this chart. We got a 1 hour fair value gap that's below us. And a 4 hour fair value gap below us. So I think that's where the draw on liquidity is. So remember what I said, the range. I said before, these kind of like peach bands up here is the range for 20 days. So in 20 days, we the average moves that the Nasdaq does is 365.25 points. So what I think is, by us taking out a major swing high up here, this is a 4 hour, was a 4 hour candle swing high. For it to make that run up and get knocked all the way back down, if it wants to stay in the range, it's going to stay in this range here. But once we break out, I think we're going to go down here to its 20-day range, which is 365 points. I don't see it going up any higher. But again, always remember that these markets are going to do whatever they want to do. Tomorrow we'll see we're going to see a major move with non-farm payroll. Also, if you for people who trade gold is like an inverse market to these indices, right? Because typically what happens is when there's fear in the markets, people tend to go more towards gold, silver, stuff like that. So gold has been on a tear, literally on a tear for the last couple weeks, but it's been selling off as well. So most of the time, if you watching gold run up, the indices is running is selling off, and when the indices is running up, gold is selling off. When I say indices, that is Nasdaq, ES, YM, RTY, which is the Russell. YM is the Dow Jones. ES is the S&P 500, and Nasdaq is, of course, NQ is Nasdaq. My chart kind of frozen right now, so I'll switch back to this chart here. One thing I hate about Ninja Trader is charts be freezing. But I got a lot of stuff I got a lot of indicators, and that also slows it down as well. I used to have a lot more with the old trading style I used to have. But it only happens when you switch to a different tab. I don't know why that is, but it is what it is. So yeah, this is the so like I say, we coming down. I got a strong feeling that we come down into this 4 hour fair value gap because we have relative equal lows right here. And it seems like that's what we're going to. this gold. That is the. Actually, I'll make it green. I'll make it a. Oh, I'm just looking at my chat. Yeah, appreciate that revival, rebuild. It was a beautiful trade. We 2-0 today on the trades. 2-0. This other chart still ain't. Man, I hate that. Yeah, we going down there. It goes to the 15-minute. Let me know how y'all like the music, man. I told y'all I've been working on some stuff with this with Streamlabs. I still got a lot more stuff to do. You know, to make it my own. I like to be original, man. I don't like to, you know, just completely copy somebody else's style. Comment in the chat if y'all like the music or not. And the intro. Matter of fact, I'm gonna play that intro again because that intro fire, man. That intro was fire. Let me see if I can get it. Here we go.
Woo! Tony. I came from the bottom, now I'm marching with precision. Woke up early, beat the bell, man, this hustle ain't no gimmicks. Discipline, wrist tight, setups got intention. Facts, Ice-T flow, I see the sweep, then I'm in it. Boom. I came from the bottom, now I'm marching with precision. Woke up early, beat the bell, man, this hustle ain't no gimmicks. Discipline, wrist tight, setups got intention. Facts, Ice-T flow, I see the sweep, then I'm in it. Boom. Check the bias on the daily, now I'm zooming on the hour. Liquidity above, I see the trap, now they devour. Got 'em. Snatching stops like a thief in the night. Kill
This is
zone,
my song,
active, got
though.
that
That's the
entry
thing. I
just
created
right. Spread
this
my
song.
draw down, max it clean. I'm staying stable.
I got
No
rights to
tilt,
this
no
song. I
thrill, I
published
don't trade off a fable. No. FVG or the block sitting in the range. Price come back, that's a gift, I remain. Real tough. Supply my savior, patience my blade. Snipers don't spray, they lay low in the shade. Stay silent. Crypto on the charts like Pimp C on the slab. Hold up, bitch. While they praying on luck, I just stick to the plan. Draw my fib from the swing, now I'm stalking retrace. Asia laid the frame, London set the pace. NY open, it's a feast or a famine. I only trade what's there, not what I imagine. Discipline. Risk 1, reward 3, that's the code. R-type. Got my journal like a Bible, every setup's road. Smart money footprints, I walk with the whales. Retail chasing highs, I'm exposing they tails. Midnight oil burning, I ain't here for clout. It's that apex grind, get funded, then I'm out. Withdraw. I see the sweet displacement, I strike. If it ain't clean, I don't bite, that's life. Sniper. They flash they P&Ls, but they fold under pressure. I built this with pain, each loss was a lecture. Pain taught me. Mental by the charts, mental by the grind. ICT vision, don't need an algo with mine. Split structure clean, higher time frame to map. I'm trading for freedom, not just a stack. Generation. Trail stop tight, I ain't losing more than mine. Hard stop sin, execution divine. Yes, Lord. From draw down to funded, I bend but don't break. Crypto don't chase, I just wait on the face. Stacking profits like bricks, this the blueprint. Market made me, now watch how I do this. Let's get it. Hey, it's more than charts and candles, baby. It's character. Patience, precision, profit. I ain't just trading. I'm building a legacy, one tick at a time. Big crip out.
Yes, sir.
Big crip out.
Yeah, let me know what y'all think about that, man. I came up with those lyrics, put it all together. I think I'm gonna do a. I think I'm gonna try to do a whole album about trading the markets. You know, put it out there on all platforms. Y'all can purchase it. Appreciate that, man. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can put it out there. But I wanna take y'all back to something too, cause something that I noticed about. Let me see, what am I looking at? This one thing I noticed as well. Sometimes, because I mean, we are selling off, but sometimes when I see the market run down and it take a low or a high, I notice something like this. The market always does this on a 1 minute chart. Well, I ain't gonna say always. It does it most of the time. It comes back down, and it runs down, and then it runs up. It shows a wick, and then it runs up, comes back down, and once it creates a fair value gap, typically when you see this, they have switched into a buy program. I don't think it's going to be today because we have liquidity lower, remember, but I always pay attention to this little move right here. Like I said, I think we going back down, but I always pay attention to that. So right now, what I wanna do is draw a fib from the most recent swing high, which is this right here, to the most recent swing low. And how I know it's a swing low and a swing high because we have these arrows, which is called wise man fractals, right? So as you see, it came down, made a low, came up to 38.2 fib that I drew, and on its way back down. And also with me looking at the other markets, I can see that ES is falling down here. This is ES. This is NQ. This is YM. YM on this way down. ES on this way down. So I'm just waiting on NASDAQ to follow through with everybody else. So, yeah, just waiting on NASDAQ to come through. Because also we have a big fair value gap here to there. And look at it drop. Now, if I was being greedy, I would have been like, let me get in this because I see this happening. But you got to be disciplined to say, hey, you know what? I didn't hit my goal already. Let me get up out of here. I'm just going to do commentary right now. Because sometimes when you get into that mode and you start seeing all these different setups and all this kind of stuff, you know, you get back in and then you get clapped. But you got to be able to learn from those things. You got to be able to learn from those behaviors and those mistakes that you make, especially if you want to be in this thing in this game long term. I've made those mistakes plenty of times, and I'm not. That's not to say that I'm still not gonna make those mistakes, but I'm making a lot less often. Nasdaq is a slower one right now, so it's just taking its little time. All right, y'all. So I think I'm gonna call it, man. I'm not trying to, take no more trades. I'm already at my goal. So I appreciate y'all for coming through. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment. Let me know how you like today's content. Make sure you share this out to some people who interested in learning how to trade these markets. And we're gonna be back tomorrow for non-farm payroll. I might come in early for non-farm payroll so y'all can see how crazy it moves at 8:30. So yeah, man. That's it for me. I'm about to shut it down. I got another song that I'm about to play. Let me know what y'all think. It's like kind of like a rock song, like rock and rap, but it's my outro music. I may change it up, but it was one of the first songs that I made. But here, check it out.
Hustle Wall Street, call me a day trader savage. Charts don't lie, create candles in my baggage. In and out the trades, quick flip, no lag. Fingers on the keys, yeah, I'm playing with that swag. Volatility beast, gotta tame that dragon. Stock lost tight, never caught slacking. Market like a rodeo, bulls and bears crashing. Portfolio diverse, keep the cash stacking. Money moves precise, calculated by math. Risk management king, never getting off track. Options, futures from Tokyo to NASDAQ. Spread them out wide, no single sip flashbacks. News feed popping, hype can't distract. Crypto on the side, keep an eye on that jack. Charts paint stories, my profits abstract. Contract me a deal sign with a clean tack. Stack 'em up high, watch the paper while I ride. Risk it in the market, play the game till I die. Day trade, hustle under big market skies. Broker won't sleep, number steam in my eyes. Money dreams vivid, pockets stay livid. Shorts get covered, gains distributive. Green takes climb, red don't inhibit. Market on fire, digits stay frigid. Pre-market buzz, checking the ticker trends. Lambo dreams, flip them into dividends. Equity dance gains depend on my defense. Rebound savage, gotta grab them bends. Trade full wow, strategies immense. Entries, exits, profits, bends. Charts abstract, numbers don't pretend. Capital gains, wealth transcends. Stack 'em up high, watch the paper while I ride. Risk it in the market, play the game till I die. Day trade, hustle under big market skies. Broker won't sleep, number steam in my eyes. Hustle Wall Street, call me a day trader savage. Charts don't lie.